How to recover a Pi network password? First of all, let's navigate and open the Pi network app on your phone. Once the app opens up on the screen, select a method to proceed to your account. I will go with phone number. Here you need to choose your country from the list, and next you need to enter the phone number that you use for account creation and then tap on submit to move next. Now here you need to enter the password, but if you don't remember, tap on forget password below the password field. Next, tap on recover account. Here one more time you need to select the country and enter the phone number associated with your Pi network account and tap on submit. After that, Pi network will ask you to send a text to their verification service in the USA. So tap on open SMS and then tap again on open SMS. It will ask you to select an app to send the message. Choose the messages app. Next, you need to send the verification code with your provided account phone number. Once the message is sent, your verification will automatically complete and you will receive a link to change your password. Once you receive the link, tap on it and follow the instructions to set a new password for your account. After resetting, go back to the Pi network app, enter your new password and log in. And that's it. You have successfully recovered your Pi network password. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.